Hello, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. I'm so excited. Feels like it's been so long. Thank you. Okay, so we're on the way to find, not Ratchet, we are Ratchet. We're on the way to find Clank. Do I go this way? Oh. Aww. I don't want to earn the right. No. Where am I? Oh, help! I'm stuck! Okay, no, we're good. Where can I go? I want to go up here. This looks fun. Let's not fall down again. Thank you. No, no. Don't want to fall down. Thank you. Hello. If I blow this up. Yeah, listen to me. Hello. What's up? Have you found my little... Not a refrigerator. Clank's not a refrigerator, you are. Have you found my little buddy? He goes by the name of... Oh, what's behind you? Besides things I can break, nothing. I wanted a secret. I have a suspicious activity. I want to go through. Don't mind me. I'm just another robot. Why can you go through and I can't? Is it because I'm not a robot? I can be a robot if you want me to. Oh, is this a club? What's up, dude? Oh, I can come in. We're gonna have some party. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Whoa, what the? That's pretty cool. I want to see the hologram. Yeah, right in front of you, this hologram thing. Whoa. What if I walk through it? I wanted a glitch reaction. Okay, you're real close to me now. Look at all these refrigerators. You're literally a refrigerator. What is going on? Oh, this is a window. I thought it was another area to go, but it's not. I don't like trying to find out where I'm going. I don't like how slow you're walking, Ratchet. Walk faster or run. You have to fuel up. Is this like your like alcohol beverages? You just like inject energy into yourself with either power or fuel or whatever that is. That looks like a gas station. Yeah, I'm glad you're all having fun, but I'm kind of looking for Clank. I can't get through. You guys are just like vibing at the same time. Is this my way out? No. Oh my gosh, I'm so lost. Ooh, there's a lock up there. I'm guessing I have to get up there at one point. Is this... Oh, where are you? I've never seen you. Oh. Sorry. My bad. My bad. My bad. Oh no, it's you. What? The heck are you doing here, kid? My bad. He'll be gone. Let's go. Well, that was easy. I just shot the thing instead of grabbing on. Whoops. Let's do that again. I'm already ahead of you. And I'm taking out everybody. Oh, sorry. Dude, I'm already here. Oh, shoot. Who are you? Who are you? The last Guardian's installed, right? Do you want to help or are you good? Oh. Is that you attacking me? With your No? Who's attacking me with their lasers? Oh, you are. Oh, apparently you are. Whoa. That's ironic. He unlocked it and then ran. Hello? Oh, just like... What is this thing? Why is it glowing? Nah, please have the glowy thing! I want the glowy thing! What are those? Sockets for hands? Why have I got this little shitty blaster? Give me a better one. Where's my good one? There we go. Told you, I need my good blaster. You guys don't stand a chance to get my blaster. Haha. Really? Really, dude? Really?
Now, where'd you go?
Thanks.
Nice work, new guy. Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey!
What the? I'm Iron Man now.
What do I do with it?
What? What the heck? Phantom Dash. What? Can I blast with it too? No. Damn. What's the point of having an Iron Man glove? Wow. Glove. When you can't... Oh, sorry. When you can't even, like... blast people with it.
I heard you know where to get one.
Oh, heck yeah.
How is it okay for you to talk and not me?
It's not safe, then why are we here?
Just as stubborn as she is. Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go? Sargasso. She always goes there.
Who's she?
Sargasso.
What is sargasso? Oh, cutscene. High-rise rooftops. Sweet.
I'll make you a deal.
Okay.
You see that blimp?
Yep. No. Oh yeah, I do now. It's blind for a minute.
You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship. What's so special about the blimp? Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. I'll meet you up.
I don't get a choice in this door. I just have to go. Thanks.
How do I get to that rooftop?
Oh.
I'm coming.
There was a thing there to grab.
How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming.
I got into the phantom. What's it called? Phantom dashing. I gotcha. I'm glad you love your job. The best. It's good when you love your job. What's this? Ah, this way. I'm glad you always land on your feet, Ratchet. I would be falling on my face every 2 seconds. Oh, I made it. What the? What the? Hang on. Hello? Whoa! That was uncalled for. Now you're going. Ooh. Thank you. That was a lot of flippies. Oh. What can I get? Oh, I can get you. Oh, press R1 to switch to the upgrade tab. Okay. I guess I'm upgrading.
You are getting it. Upgrading your loadout is not hard, as long as you got the raritanium.
How many can I upgrade?
See? Why
Sweet.
settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent? I knew teaching you this would be easy peasy. I do like the sight of that.
Cool.
You
Okay.
picked out one
We've
of
done it.
already.
Use it all. Oops.
Happy to help.
Thanks again for
Yeah. Can you this way? Oh, yes I do. Look at his face. He's like, yeah.
impressive.
Wait,
Oh my gosh, it's really rare.
where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The nefarious
The
days.
nefarious days.
If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message.
Let me guess, I can't touch the water. I can't go for a spa day, do my nails, get my hair done,
Easy enough.
soak my skin, make it glorious. Nope. Thought I'd try. Oh, I don't have the thingy, do I, anymore? Oh, I do! Yes. I do love that thing still. Oh, what are these? Why are they? Oh, I don't know what they are. Oh, I could have just went down there.
Citizens of
Nefarious Got him. Got him.
is the voice
This is a lot. Oh, you just like jump scared me. Oh, no.
and the truth is,
I'm trying not to hit the innocent little robots that you are putting in danger by fighting me because I'm better than you. It's not true, but I'd like to think it is. Oh my god, you guys are everywhere. What's going on? My headphones are falling off. Hang on. My headphones are falling off and it feels good. Okay. How do I get up here? Oh, hello. Guess what? Oh, I'm better than you. I can get up too. I'm just saying that because I'm really not. Where are you? Oh, yeah, come up here. Take the high route with me so I can smash your faces in with my axe. Yes! Die, people, die! Why are you coming after me? Die, people, die! Oh. This is pretty epic music. Meow. Oh, no. Okay. Apparently when Ratchet fights, he meows, according to me. Oh, look at that skill to dodging. I got the dodgy dodge skills. No. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Slappy faces in. Hi. I don't know how you see out of that helmet.
wow, where'd you learn how to
When did I learn how to, I don't know, I learned how to, when.
Looks like I touched
You
a
did.
nerve. All right,
Thank
deal's
you.
a deal. That's Glitch. Show
Hi,
me how you
Glitch.
get to the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access consoles and that huge statue of Nefarious in the
Yeah, I want to
center.
tear it down.
Just hook her up and she'll
What if I throw
handle the rest.
toilet paper on it?
What are you doing?
tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Okay, bye.
Huh?
Did he just die? Oh no. He just got caught.
Stay strong, brother.
Far out, dude.
How do you
He just
expect me to get to the
full on
bazaar from here?
sacrificed himself.
That'll work.
Ooh, let's go.
You're all right.
We
All I
be
gotta do now
playing
is head to the
Tony
statue,
Hawk games now as
get a Starship,
Ratchet.
and then find Clank on Sargasso.
On
On
Sargasso.
my
That's
way,
a
buddy.
weird
Just
name.
hang in there for a little bit longer.
Don't worry, I will. Where are you? Where are you?
Sugar, I forgot to mention earlier. I hit
Uh-huh.
the spot in the factory.
I can get through now.
Maybe you.
Ooh.
Aha! That has to be the access
Well,
console.
I would say so. Everyone's watching it. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're a bit big.
Where did you even come from?
You are just a little bit big. Whoa! No, not fair. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
What the yikes?
Ooh. Oh! Oh, you. No, 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 no. Oh, okay, 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 okay. No, 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 no. Okay, no, no. Nah. Nah. Oh, I can't get up. I can't get up. Okay, I'm up. Nah, nah. We are fine without being run over by a rhinoceros-looking thing. Thank you. Take me away from the rhinoceros-looking thing.
Not again!
Okay, how do I...
At
Oh.
least it was a round trip.
Oh. Yeah, well, I'm trying to do the same to you. Just follow you as fast as I can. Oh, no. No, you're not helping. I need you to die for me. Oh. Die. Die. Nope, nope. 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 Die. No. Nope.
This
Nope.
one's empty!
Nope. Die. No. Oh, we're 100%. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, 1%.
Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console.
Got him. Yes.
Yeah, hi. You must be
Hi.
Glitch. I'm Ratchet.
Hi, Glitch.
Sorry
Aw,
for
do you not like
jostling
me?
around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well. Actually,
Oh,
I
He
think
looks
you're
so
the only
sad.
one who can help me right now.
Oh, he's so cute. Glitch is so cute. Oh, thank you, Glitch. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, I get to play as
guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all...
Glitch is so cute. I like Glitch. I think Glitch is now my new favorite character in this game. Oh, what? That's cute. No. Stupid viruses. You can't come near my Glitch. I'm the only virus that can be here. Does that even work?
Infection is starting to clear.
No.
I guess I can try to take out the rest now.
I'm gonna attack every single one of you guys. No, don't touch my glitch! No, 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 don't touch my glitch! My glitch! My glitch! Don't touch my glitch!
I gotta delete them before I'm even more outnumbered.
This is one of my favorite glitches. My other one is Vanellope from... What's her name? No, I've got her name wrong. Vanellope from Wreck-It Well. Ah! Okay, we're good. We're gonna go out here now. Cool. I like how you can walk on the roof. That's cool. Oh, this way. That was a bit confusing, but that was cool. Yeah. Got him, bro.
I did it! Oh, man! I really... Wow! Anyway, looks like the computer is back online.
You did it, Glitch!
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
No.
Destroying canyons
No.
and a surveillance state
No.
covering the entire city. Only
I'm gonna tell you.
dimensionator
What?
still works.
It's Clank. Hello, peekaboo. I'm in your office. Dude, no.
After him! No!
Yes,
I'm coming,
we
Clank.
are.
No!
Welcome, oh master of us all.
Clank,
Password, please.
Ratchet. I'm the best.
Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead?
Damn, that's the longest password I've ever heard. Actually, no, I've heard longer.
Bring me that lumber!
The Earth? No. Sargasso. H post L51. Oh my god, he's a galaxy.
So then this dimension was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who
Hi.
used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax,
Yes.
to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over
Here's
it.
the Emperor. No, he's not.
Wait! You're under attack!
Mort.
What's going on?
King Julian?
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh,
What the?
look out.
What do you think I'm doing? Yeah!
Well, gonna leave it there for today, guys. I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. If it is red, you are not subscribed. And that makes Ratchet and Clank really sad. And
Where are you taking me?
also hit that like button so I can post more videos, and hit that bell so you get notified when I post one. So if you hit that like, comment, do all that, there'll be another Ratchet and Clank video. Let's go. I'd like to thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!